Cardano is about to make a massive move, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here, and welcome back to another Cardano analysis. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. So on Cardano yesterday, we did see a massive move to the upside, and I did mention that around the 49-cent mark is going to be an extremely important level for Cardano. We were looking at a previous head and shoulder pattern on Cardano, but we did reject this level quite well on the 49-cent mark with a massive bearish candle and a continuation candle to the downside. Now, whether or not this was a fake out move where we saw this level and a retest of a bottom support level is going to be shown in the next coming hours. But as of right now, if Cardano can hold above the 47-cent mark, I do see another move to the upside to retest the 51-cent mark we were mentioning yesterday. Now, the reason for that is, again, with this previous price action, we can see we did test this level double top down and then failed to retest that level above the 51-cent mark. We had massive manipulation candles and then a move to the downside, showing that there was a lot of strong resistance here and the bears were definitely in control. Now, as of right now, Cardano is trading below the exponential moving averages, and you guys know that when it's trading below, it's usually a bearish indication, but we want to be looking for that retest of the support level and a clear consolidation move to the upside, right? If we can get that clear consolidation move to the upside, I do see this 49-cent mark being retested. Technically speaking, we did not retest it as of yet, so don't get too greedy in terms of shorting positions just yet. We could see another move to the upside to actually retest that support or resistance level and then a confirmation of whether or not we're going to go up or down, right? You want to be waiting for that proper retest because, again, we can see that on Cardano before. We do have these price action movements, right, where the market does make these fake out attempts and then continuation. So this could technically be another fake out attempt, right? We will find out once this candlestick closes within the next 49 minutes of whether or not Cardano will be moving up, right? If we do close bearish on this candlestick, we could be possibly looking for another retest around the 46-cent mark. But if we do close above this candlestick, then we could be looking for a retest of around the 49-cent, 51-cent mark. As of right now, though, this doesn't mean that this is a trading area, because again, with the exponential moving averages on the 4-hour time frame, Cardano is still very bearish, right? We want to be making sure we have a clear engulfing candle to the upside. This, again, technically could be seen as an inverse BART pattern, but it is starting to look less likely as a pattern that's actually going to play out. Now, over here on the 1-hour time frame, we can see a clear move to the downside, right? We have this we pretty much have this M formation that has formed, and looking on Cardano right now in the lower time frames, I would say that we are definitely more bearish and we will definitely be retesting the 40-cent mark, right? 46 cents, sorry. But because of this consolidation move to this downside, breaking that support level, and now this continuation on the lower time frames, it definitely gives us a better understanding of where Cardano might actually head. I do believe that 45-cent mark would be the key interest level for a lot of people, whether or not Cardano can hold that. If not, the 44-cent mark would be the last support level that would be held. And the reason for that is because this 44-cent mark was a major support level for Cardano. You can see that we tested level once, twice. We had a breakout, a false breakout, continuation, double bottom, and then another 5, 6, 7 tests before we actually had that confirmation. Now, whether or not we will hold that level again at 44-cent mark is a question, and I don't think if Cardano does head back down there, I really don't see it holding that level quite well. As you guys know, the more times a support level is tested, the higher chance of it breaking, right? So you want to be careful before you enter any sort of positions on Cardano until you have clear confirmation. Once we see that this level is being held and then a move to the upside, only then we can look for longing opportunities and try to play this left shoulder, right shoulder aspect. But as of right now, until we have that clear, concise aspect of that support level holding, there's absolutely no reason to be entering any sort of positions on Cardano until we have confirmation. Now, obviously for the bears, if you did enter a short position around the 49-cent mark, I would be looking to have a trailing stop again around this medium level, because if Cardano does manage to push above again, you will be stopped out, right? You want to be careful about that, and you don't want to be trying to play this pattern in terms of this massive manipulation, right? Just try to take your profits if you are in a bearish formation, but you can obviously set your take profit lower and lower as Cardano comes down. This candlestick is going to be extremely important for Cardano, so just make sure to keep an eye on that. And if we do test the level and bounce, then that's bad news for bears, right? But if we do get a break below that level, then that's going to be a massive move to the downside. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.